It's really hard when you're choosing a top 10 essential oils to be able to include everything in your top 10. But lemon, citrus limon, is a really useful oil. A top note comes from the lemon. So good for cutting through catarrh. So if you have a cold or a cough or a chesty infection, lemon is really, really good at cutting through the phlegm, cutting through the catarrh, and eliminating it from the body more efficiently. It's also very, very good for stimulating the liver, and they reckon a glass of lemon and hot water first thing in the morning really flushes out the liver and cleanses the liver and helps it bring back its function to normal. It's also my favourite way, if I've got a sore throat or a cold, is to have lemon and ginger tea. And I make a pot of lemon and ginger, and then I just sweeten it a little bit with honey. But it's very good for soothing the throat, soothing the bronchial tubes, and really helping to cut through that catarrh. Another oil that's very good for the immune system. Lemon is very good for helping the production of white blood cells. So if you have an infection and you're struggling to fight it off, a glass of lemon with fresh lemon or a drop of lemon in a cup of tea would really help to stimulate the white blood cells. Very uplifting oil, good for antidepressant, really good for helping to alleviate spirits and lift your spirits. The only disadvantage to using a citrus oil, lemon in particular, is when the sun is shining. When the sun is shining, your skin becomes quite phototoxic, and if you have lemon on your skin diluted in a grapeseed oil or a white lotion, then it can attract the sun and give you a stronger pigmentation in certain areas. So that's called photosensitivity. So it's not good to have any of the citrus oils on your skin when you're sunbathing. And lemon is citrus limon. Lovely, sharp,